911, where's your emergency?
There's someone in my backyard, please come.
What's the address?
Chandler, Arizona, 85224.
Hold on. In Chandler.
Please, I have kids, come!
Officers pursued this individual, later identified as Richard Ling, as he went into a fenced residential backyard and then into the residence.
As officers surrounded the home, Ring exited the home into the backyard porch holding a large kitchen knife in his hand. At that time, he also appeared to have significant injuries to his throat area, and he was bleeding profusely.
Need medics, got a knife. Put your hands above your head, drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
I have to kill myself. Richard.
No, you do not! Do not,
Richard, what's going on? What's going on? Can you drop the knife for us? Can you drop the knife for us? I have to kill myself. Richard, no, why? Why would you do that, Richard? Just talk to us.
I'll stay with you. Do not, Richard!
What's that? Don't move!
The officer involved in the shooting is a patrol officer assigned to the Chandler Police Department Desert Breeze Precinct and has been with the department for 21 years.